Today, I'll show you how to quickly remove a black background from a video and make it blend seamlessly into your project. This is super useful for overlay effects like smoke, fire, or animated elements. Let's get started. First, import your video with the black background and drag it onto the timeline above your main footage. Play the video and you'll see that it has a solid black background that we need to remove. Now, select the clip and from the right side editing panel, go to the blending mode under the video tab. By default, it's set to normal, but we need to change it. Click on it and select screen. Instantly, the black background disappears, leaving only the visible elements of the overlay. If the effect doesn't look perfect, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the opacity slider to make it blend smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully removed a black background in Filmora in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tricks.